Good morning, Monica Iha here in Masbate. So, dito kami naka-check in. Good morning, good morning. So, by the way, thank you so much to Ma'am Aya, for very warm, accommodating with us. And of course, for giving me a discount. Yeah, she's actually the owner of this premises. Supposed to be dyan kami mag-check-in, pero since they have party last night, I decided to move in to the other side. So take a look at this. There. Morning. Singing ata sila. They have party. Isa ka nag-party kasi yung staff niya kagabi. Birthday kasi yung staff niya kagabi. Trinit niya. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung ganda ng view. Yan yung view. Welcome Masbate. Ano guys, so